Hello everyone, welcome to Lingoland. Today we will be learning verb conjugations in Spanish. There are three types of verbs in Spanish: AR ending, ER ending, and IR ending. We will be learning the conjugation of all three of these verbs today. Let us start with AR ending verbs. We take hablar as an example. Hablar is an AR ending verb. We remove the ending AR and what is left is called as the stem, hable. With each of the pronouns we add hable and then we put the ending. The ones which are highlighted in red would be the fixed ending for AR ending verbs. Yo hablo, tú hablas, él, ella, usted habla, nosotros, nosotras hablamos, vosotros, vosotras habláis, ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan. These fixed endings will be used for all other AR ending verbs. This is the list of regular AR ending verbs. We can conjugate them easily. Let us look at ER ending verbs now. We take comer as an example. We remove ER ending and com is the stem. Yo como, tú comes, él, ella, usted come, nosotros, nosotras comemos, vosotros, vosotras coméis, ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. In a similar way, we can conjugate other regular ER ending verbs. Let's look at the list. We will conjugate IR ending verb now. Vivir, we remove IR and what is left is the stem, viv. Yo vivo, tú vives, él, ella, usted vive, nosotros, nosotras vivimos, vosotros, vosotras vivís, ellos, ellas, ustedes viven. In the similar way, we can conjugate other regular IR ending verbs. Here is the list of those verbs. We will look at some examples now. Yo hablo inglés y español. Ellos hablan japonés. Ella come la manzana. Tú comes la pizza. Nosotros vivimos en Granada. Vosotros vivís en Londres. Let us practice now. Think of the answers. You can also type your answers in the comment box. Here are the answers. Ella vive en Boston. Vosotros coméis pan. Yo hablo chino. Nosotros vivimos en India. Maria come huevos. I hope you understood the rules of conjugation. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.